Hi everyone, it's Paul from This Design That. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and cheap Z height and corner finding touch plate I put together using the CNC router parts code they kindly supply on their website. Now the CNC router parts touch plate was a little out of my price range, but if you're looking for something a little bit more substantial and accurate, their touch plate looks like a really nice bit of kit. I went ahead and 3D printed mine and just covered it in aluminium tape for conductivity, but there's no reason why you couldn't make this out of wood or even metal. So Z and edge finding plates are an essential tool for any CNCer, and they help you quickly and easily find the exact work zero position for your job. Now this is really important when you are machining with metal because you don't want to be taking too little or too much from your cuts, and it also helps tremendously when you're doing jobs that require tool changes and therefore needing to re-zero the Z height for different end mills. So to get this working in Mach 3, you're going to first need to set up your probe connection. You can check out the CNC router parts resource page, which goes into detail of what you need to do. I'm not going to go over my probe because every CNC control box is different, but basically for mine, I just needed the correct connector and soldered 2 wires to it with crocodile clips on the other end. Next, you want to load up Mach 3. If you go to Operator and then Edit Button Script and click on the Auto Tool 0, this will open an editor and you're going to paste the code from the CNC router parts page into here. As my 3D printed touch plate is a different size to the CNC router parts version, there is some code that we need to change. The tool plate height is 0.12, and remember to also include the thickness of the aluminium tape for these measurements. The probe width is 1.47 and the probe distance is just a little smaller than the probe width of 1.4. Once you've done that, just click on Save and close the editor. So now you're ready to test the touch plate. Get your job set up and make sure you reference all home before starting the job. Place the touch plate in the left corner of your job. Connect one crocodile clip to the aluminium tape and the other to your end mill. Jog the spindle roughly into the center of the touch plate. Click on the Auto Tool 0 button and you will see a box appear. For this job, we're going to select the Z, X and Y axis. My tool diameter is 6 mm and we'll start from the left front position. Click OK and it will begin to find the Z height. Another box will appear for the X axis. Click OK and it will begin to move. Then once more for the Y axis. Now it has found the work zero position, you can click on Go to Zero and the spindle will move to the correct position. When changing end mills, all you need to do is re-zero the Z height, click on Go to Zero and you'll have the exact same position. So hopefully you found that useful. I'll put all the links in the description below, as well as the links to the 3D files if you want to 3D print it yourself. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all later.